Hey, what's going on? It's Ty here. So in this video, I want to show you a really powerful tool that I'm using to automate my social media marketing. And this one is called Recurpost. So the reason why I like that is not only can help me post content in multiple social media, but also it can help me recycling those content, which means all I need to do is I pre-build a content library. Then they will just choose the content from the library and post them on your social media profile automatically. And they can use the content over and over again, right? So since no one remember what did you post like a few months ago or even a year ago, right? So you can just use the same content over and over, right? So you can pre-build a content library, and that is software recycling those content for you. That's the software rotating those content for you, right? So that's really powerful. So if you want to try this software for free, then all you need to do is go to nixsite.com/Recurpost and you can try it for free. So with that being said, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool to automate your social media. So let's take a look about that. Right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to add your social media account, right? So as you can see, I already add a lot of account there, right? So all you need to do is you want to choose whatever account you want to use. Like for example, if you want to use Instagram for personal, or you want to use a business account, right? So you just choose that. Then after you choose the account, then you can go here to click on add new library, right? So for example, maybe you can say motivational quotes, right? Then we click on add library. Right, so after we add it to library, we just choose that. Then we can add update, right? So we can either add one, so you can type in something here. So you type in your content, then you can either maybe you can add image here, or you can add some emoji here. Then you can preview it on different platform. Then you can add library, right? Or you can use add in bulk, right? So you can basically import your content from your folders to there, right? So after that, as you can see, I already create a lot of library here. So all you need to do is you click on add schedule, right? Then you can choose whatever account you want to post on. Then you can choose the frequency, right? And also you can choose the time. You can select the time, or you can choose to auto schedule, so it will schedule it for you, right? So or you can go to each of the library to see the content, and then you can go even add new hashtag, or you can find and replace, right? And you can even shuffle the library so it can change the order of your content. So as you can see, it's a really powerful tool that you can use to manage your social media account. And you can also go to feed manager to add new feed here. So you can add your RSS feed of your blog or of your YouTube, so it can import those content automatically to your account, to your library, right? And another one is report. So you can go here to read the report, so you can see which content is performing really well, right? So so this is a really powerful tool. I do recommend you to try this out. So you can go to nixsite.com/Recurpost to sign up for a free trial. So I hope you enjoyed that.